afternoon, you ladies and gentlemen. You are watching Daily Market Review with me, Slava Ismailova. Today, as usually, we are starting with our first currency pair, Euro-US dollar. The February 9th reaction high at 1.3322 is back within striking distance, following the push above 1.3201. The strong rally from Tuesday's session low at 1.3186 underpins the bull wave from last week's low at 1.2974, and a push above 1.3322 is the main threat from Eurobulls. Such a move would open 1.3359 and 1.3396. On the reversal below 1.3186 would negate the euro bullish outlook, exposing 1.3138. Weekly chart euro-US dollar trend is range. The next currency pair for today is US dollar versus the Japanese yen. The powerful short-term uptrend remains intact, with Monday's 8-month high at 79.89. The immediate focus. The 80 level is set to come under pressure, and there is upside risk to the 80.27 area, where two Fibonacci targets lie closely knit. Support at 79.18 limits downside risk, which is protected by 79.36. Weekly chart US dollar Japanese yen trend is bullish. The next currency pair is Great Britain pound versus US dollar. Monday's high at 1.5878 is back under pressure, as the recovery of last week's low at 1.5645 threatens to extend. A push above 1.5878 would bring the focus back onto the February 8th reaction high at 1.5927. The longer-term Great Britain pound bulls are still on course for 1.6 and 1.6167. However, the 1.5927 high is expected to be defended resolutely. A push below 1.5791 would strengthen Monday's 1.5878 high and prompt further weakness towards 1.5694 and 1.5645. Weekly chart Great Britain pound US dollar trend is range. The next currency pair is our US dollar Swiss franc trend. The sharp setback of 0.93 is on the verge of forcing for a break below support at 0.9083. The failure to keep the February 9th reaction low at 0.9088 intact puts US dollar buyers in control, and further weakness is expected towards the 0.9 level. Corrective upside risk is limited to the 0.9176 area, which is protected by 0.9148. Weekly chart US dollar Swiss franc trend is bearish. And the last currency pair for today is Australian dollar versus the US dollar. This pair remains choppy within a bullish consolidation phase between 1.0698 and 1.0847. Monday's setback of 1.0818 protects the 1.0847 high and suggests a bear wave towards 1.0658 is on the cards. However, keeping projected support at 1.0603 intact maintains the long-term Australian dollar bull tone. A push above 1.0818 would reopen 1.0847, threatening an upside resolution towards 1.1. Weekly chart Australian dollar US dollar trend is bullish. You have watched Daily Market Review with me, Slava Ismailova. See further details on our site, grandcapital.net. I'm wishing you a good trade and see you later.